Welcome back everyone to A1 Diaries. Here we have the final part of our patio project. It's now been turfed, as you can see. The garden now sits flat, where in the beginning it had a very bad slope. We've installed in the corner here, you can see the seating area, and also we've now finished off all the fencing, and the patio area is finished as well. They are the light natural grey Stretton 450 by 450 paving flags. Made a really nice job. As you can see, we've put a flower bed in at the edge here. The customer put some plants in. I've also done the path down all the way to the garden shed. That's a finished area. Nice and smart, plenty of room. Really smartened the area up and made the space much more open. So, if you like the video, please give us a like below and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.